interface. Here tutul module, nothing but one of the interface. Here introduce a tutul module allows to create images using tutul graphics. The tutul module also include in most Python installations also. Okay, how to import this tutul module? Okay, same as we are also use math module in previous unit. How to import the any module by using the import keyword. Here by typing import tutul, then it is able to access the tutul module. Okay, next one is to check whether your tutul module open on Python interface. Type import import tutul. Okay, now we will open the IDLE of the Python. How to open IDLE of the Python? Click on Start button. Go to All Programs and select Python 3.8. Select the Python IDLE. Python IDLE. Okay, it is the Python IDLE. So suppose to check whether we have tutul module. Tutul module, just you will import URTLE tutul. Okay. Next, how to see the graphics interface? The graphics interface. Then you will extracted those things in a variable. Suppose here Bob is equal to, how to access the methods from tutul by using module name TURTLE dot, another function is there, that is TURTLE. Okay, it is a function to create interface of the tutul. Okay, here Bob is the one of the variable to assign the total interface, tutul interface into the Bob. Then what will happen? See here, actually here only IDLE module is there, IDLE module. Okay, now after executing this, what will happen? See here, enter. What will happen? Here provide one of the interface. See here, Python tutul graphics. Python tutul graphics. It is the interface. Here the tutul module provides a function called tutul. Okay, this module provides a function. A function is called tutul. Okay, it's create a tutul object. A tutul object assigned to a variable named Bob. To assign a variable Bob. Here Bob is nothing but it is one of the object of the tutul interface. Okay, to printing Bob to display the some, you know. Okay, how to print the Bob? What is called Bob? Like this. Type Bob. Type Bob. Then it will be displayed. It is one of the class. Bob is one of the class object. So this means that the Bob refers an object with type tutul as defined in the module tutul. Okay, this means that the Bob refers to an object with a type tutul defined defined as total as defined in module total. Okay, here small turtle is the module, capital tur capital T urtle is the one of the class present in total module. So Bob is the one of the object. Bob is the one of the object. This refers to an object with the type total as defined in uh, module total. Okay, are you understand about the interface? Okay, Bob is equal to total dot turtle. Run this code. It should be create a new window. Okay, to run this code, suppose already run here. Okay, Bob is equal to total.tl. What will happen? It's create one of the total graphics interface. Total graphics interface. It's create a new window with a small arrow that represents the total. Here, small arrow is also is there. See here, this is the small arrow represent the total. And next, now you close the window. Okay, it's also option provided. Close the window also. Close the window. Okay. Okay, see here. It is the Python total graphics. It is the arrow window is there and close window. Okay, once create a tuple call a method to move around the window. Okay, the tuple call method to move it's around the window. So for example, here by using to move the tuple, okay, how to move this tuple? Tuple means already you know about this interface. It is called tuple. Okay, by using this tuple, we have forward. Okay, and by using bob.fd, bob.fd. Okay, see here. Now we will execute this fd. Fd is, see here. Here you will use command. This one. Okay, it is good understanding to beside two windows. Then easily will understand. Or FD. FD is the one of the command or forward. Forward 100. 100 is the pixel of this one. Then enter. What will happen? It moves. So total moves from beginning point to 100 pixel towards forward. Suppose if you want to shift this left side, left angle, that is bob dot lt bob dot lt. Left hand side you will move angle. Left angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Then what will happen? To execute this one, what will happen? It's moved to upside 90 degrees. It is turns 90 degrees. Then you will again use forward. That is bob dot forward. Forward. Okay, 100. Then what will happen? It moves 100 pixel towards upside. Then you will use bob.lt. Left hand side 90 degrees. 90 degrees. It moves towards left hand side 90 degrees. Then again you will forward 100. It moves forward 100. Then again you will bob left hand side 90 degrees. It turns left hand side 90 degrees. And then you will again call bob dot forward 100. Okay. Then what will happen? It construct as a it constructed a square tool. Okay, tool or BK to move backward. BK is the one of the function is there. It is moves backward. It moves backward. Okay, now we'll see the functionality of the backward. See it. BK. Okay, Bob dot. Don't forget about the Bob. Bob is the one of the object or it is stored. Store the total class. BK 100. It's move to the backward. Okay. Again, we will move Bob dot RT. RT 90 degrees. Right hand side 90 degrees. Moves like. Next Bob dot forward. For FD, FD also is the one of the function 100. It moves 100. Okay, like this, you will draw the graphics on total class. Sorry, on total image. So here, LT is the left turn, RT is the right turn. The argument for LT and the RT is the angle in degrees. Angle in degrees. That means it moves 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, like this. Degrees in the angle. Okay. Next one is total is holding a pen. Total also holding a pen. It is defaultly down. It is defaultly down. If you want to up the pen, down means it can able to draw the diagrams. It can able to draw the diagrams. Up means when you up a pen, what will happen? It's not able to draw the a figure or anything. Okay, that is it is holding a pen. Okay, it total either down or up. Total either pen is down or up. Now we'll see the exact working of the this thing. Bob dot pen up. Pen up. Just you will call pen up. Now we move the total towards turn. Bob dot LT. Sorry. Okay, LT of 90 degrees. Okay, it moves. Now we will forward 100 pixels towards downside, forward or FD. Anything, we use FD or forward 100. What will happen? It's not drawn. Why? The total position is okay. What about total graphics position? Is pen up. Pen up means it's not right on total interface. So now we'll Bob dot pen down. Okay, pen down. Now we will move your Bob towards left. Bob dot LT 90 degrees. LT 90 degrees. Let's move to 90 degrees, and now we will forward 100 pixels. Forward 100 pixels. You see, it's drawn. Why it's drawn? It is pen down position. It is pen down position. Okay. Okay. It is about the total interface. Total interface. Total module also. Module is a total module is nothing but it is a interface provide to draw the graphics. Okay. Here tuple is one of the class. One of the class is present in the tuple module. We will assign total that class into a variable that is called object. That is Bob here. Bob here. Okay, the pen is down. The tuple leaves a trail when it moves. Okay, the methods pen up, pu also pen up, pen down, pd also using for pin. Okay, bob.lt already will show the it turns 90 degrees arrow. Okay, see here it turns 90 degrees arrow and forward 100 pixels